Okay, supposedly this is the left side pedal for the quick release. So usually when you plug in, right, don't need to remove this part here. Actually just the whole pedal plug in. Left side you need to turn anti-clockwise with your hand to turn it into the crank pedal, but the crank arm first. After you turn in already, you realize that it's almost fully tight, but still not tight enough. You'll come with this spanner lah. You take a look over here, there's actually a shape here. This shape here, you just push it in and then you turn anti-clockwise some more to tighten it. So after you fully tighten it, right, this is actually just a safety catch. This safety catch, right, it's actually prevent you from the pedal from dropping off lah, but the pedal won't actually drop off one. To release this quick release pedal, just push it, just push this part in and then you release out. And then to pull back again, pull this thing, step in and then you lock. That's all. The safety catch purpose is actually to put it over here. You can step in. After you step in, you can't actually release it. Just a safety features, but not really necessary. And then as for the right hand side pedal, it's different. The left, you need to turn anti-clockwise to lock. The right side, you need to turn clockwise to turn it in, to tighten it.